I done found like a little pond or something right here. Every time I go house hunting, I end up finding some water. Look at the water back there, man, covered in algae and stuff. Look at that. Let me go ask these people would they mind if I parked right here and walk back there to try to go fish, since they got better access to the lake. Hey, excuse me. Do y'all have any knowledge on that pond back there?
Like what?
Like is there a fish in there?
Yes, they sure are.
For real?
It's right down here, and there's one little area back there where my son was back there the other day, and he stomped it all down. And, he caught 5. Yeah, you can park right there if you want. Walk straight through there. You'll be able to find your spot through there.
Got him.